How to change Instagram password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the Instagram password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the Instagram password, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Instagram app, and you can see I'm logged in. So just come to the profile page from bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right, and go to the Meta Account Center tab. After you go to Meta Account Center, over here you want to simply look for the option called Password and Security and tap on it. And all you have to do is tap the Change Password option from the top. And first of all, again select your Instagram account here, and now enter the current password and enter the new password and re-enter them to change it to the password you like. In case you don't remember your current password also, you can tap on Forgotten Your Password and then reset your password if you like. So to give you an idea, this is how you can change your Instagram account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.